Hi guys, Richard at Orange Campers here, and just to show you our latest little project we've been working on. This customer had got his own van, and which was a pop-top version of this. Beautiful build, you know, down at Auto House there, nice build, and he was very happy with his van, but he saw us at a show and he loved the high top. And he got talking and chatting to us, and I said, well, why don't you let us put you a pop-top on, a high top, and take the pop-top off, because ultimately he thought he'd now be better off with a high top. And so we said, no problem, bring it up, we'll take it on. And this is what we've done. We've tried to mirror the same sort of cupboard layout as what the original manufacturer had made, and but the beauty of it gives him so much more height. We've put a nice roof vent up there, and we've matched all his furniture inside. We put this nice beautiful 2.6 black awning on as well. And then on the other side, he did have two awning rails already on his vehicle, so we did remove the awning rail, and we refitted it, shaped it, refitted it onto this side, so he can put a canopy on this side, and it really makes his van work for him. He is going to have some more graphics to match the lower level graphics, but he's decided to do it himself. Just a quick one. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, check us out on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Now back to the video. We even replaced the original manufacturer's rear view mirror camera, because if you know these vehicles on the Fords, they're up here somewhere, and they still work quite well there. They're not in optimum position, but because it's got the glass window, you know, it's better having it in that position. But I think you'll agree, it's an absolutely beautiful van. On top of the roof there, we've got two very slim solar panels. So he's got his solar back on there, and we've put a TV aerial up there as well. So we've even mounted the aerial and the DAB aerial on there from Ford as well. So I think you'll agree, stunning van. Really happy with how it's turned out. And if you've got a project like this yourself, then drop us a call, come and see us, and get you booked in. Don't forget, summer, now's the time to think about spring and summer. It really gets busy this time of year. So if you've got one of these projects you'd like to us to take on for you, come and see us, get in touch, and we'll sort it out.